Hi everyone, this video is one that I was really excited to record for you. I don't know why you might not find it very exciting, but I love doing French nails. These are not your classic French with a white tip, these are going to be a French with a black tip. And all the acrylic products that I'm using in this video today are from Diamond Nail Supplies, and I do have a discount code for you, which is Emma10. The nude that I'm using is Nude Ambition, and the black that I will be using is called Onyx. So yeah, I'm using my size 10 acrylic brush from Diamond Nail Supplies as well. I do have the size 12 as well, and I do recommend these brushes. They are really nice to work with and they are very affordable. I have bought brushes before where you're paying like 20, so I recommend, and they are the ones that have like the glitter in the handle and stuff, so they're really pretty too. But yeah, so I'm applying my I've just woken up, I can't speak. So I'm applying my my nude in the reverse method to create my smile lines. I have explained this in a video before, but in case those of you haven't watched it, I am picking up my bead of nude, I'm draining the liquid out with the back of my brush, placing it on the nail, and I'm just trying to like shape that smile line with my brush and create a wall that the colour's gonna sit up against. Then I'll put in a cuticle bead secondly, and then my third bead is just another one to build up the apex so that I don't have to do that with my clear later on. So now they're all set, I'm going to go in with my hand file and just make sure that they're nice and crisp. I mean, they look alright, to be honest. There have been times where I've like forgotten to do this and it hasn't actually mattered because I've managed to shape them nice enough with my brush anyway, but I just kind of do this out of habit, but every now and then I forget. So if you manage to shape it nice and you forget, then it doesn't really matter, so try to make the shape as good as you can. However, if you do stuff it up a little bit and you think, oh, it's not quite like the same the same width, I suppose, each side, or like you don't think it's as even, then yeah, just whip around with your hand file, but you've got to make sure that wall's tall enough for you to do that. So I'm just dusting off now, and then I'm going in with my black acrylic. This one is Onyx. Black, white, yeah, black pretty much. First black I've worked with, it is pretty manageable, but you can see that it is still a little bit runny, but I didn't have to chase it, it didn't like touch your skin or anything like that, so yeah, it was quite easy to work with. And you'll see that I'm kind of like just shoving it over the smile lines, which it doesn't matter because I'm not putting a glitter on with this. Even if I was, it still wouldn't matter because I'd only be putting it down below where the smile line is. Where it's overlapping the smile line, that's going to be filed away anyway, so it doesn't matter. But when you overlap the colour like this, you make sure that you get that nice crisp line between the colour and the nail bed colour. You're not going to have any like gaps or anything. But I am going to come in with some clear in a second and cap these, just the tips, just because I believe that this black and all the other colours from Diamond Nail Supplies are design powders, they're not strength powders, and because it applies so thin as well, even though you can't really tell on the camera, I just want to make sure that the tips have got enough thickness for me to file for it to be even without them being too thin. But you don't want them to be too bulky at the same time. I'm sure if you've been doing nails a while, you know exactly what I mean. But yeah, so I'm just going to finish capping all the tips of these. So I'm just going to tidy up those side walls with my hand file, and then the exciting bit, the best bit of this video, the most favourite thing for anyone of doing a French is the reveal. So I'm going to come in with my hand file. I think I'm using a smooth top medium grit carbide to debulk the nail slightly and just reveal that French. So I'll just let you enjoy watching this bit. And then now I'm just coming back in with my hand files to just really smooth over the nails, make sure that they're all even, the structure's correct, and just get that shape really, really nice. And then I'm just going to quickly buff all of the nails with my pink buffing block just to get out any of the larger scratches. And then I'm going to dust off the nails before I come in with a gold gel polish to do some like line detail around that smile line. This look was inspired by Jamie Genevieve on Instagram. My client follows her, well, I say my client, this is actually my brother's girlfriend, but she's sort of my client too. But yeah, so she brought me a picture of her nails, and I remember seeing her video of her having them done, so I was more than happy to do these. I don't know the name of the girl that does her name though, so if you do know, then please let me know so that I can tag her for the inspiration as well. But yeah, so this gel polish that I'm using, I'm just using it with a kind of like striper detail brush. I think I got these ones off of eBay. I've got all sorts of brushes from all over the place, but yeah, so the gel polish that I'm using is called Cleopatra from the gel bottle. And once I've put all of these little lines on, I'll get my client to put her hand under the lamp for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to come in and top coat them for 60 seconds. It's a no wipe top coat. I can't remember which one I used, but yeah, so I've left you a little video and pictures of the finished result. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, it's @DreamNailsByMC. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you in another video soon. Bye!